What is going on, guys? The Car Addict back at it again with a new video for y'all, and today we have ourselves an unboxing video. And first of all, if you are new to this channel, let me go ahead and introduce what this channel is all about. This channel is all about cars, and I mainly focus on car reviews, but today, we have a unboxing video for my new camera. I just want to give a big shout out to my girlfriend Kristen for surprising me with this new camera yesterday. I've been telling her that I wanted to upgrade my camera, and I've been kind of like scared to pull the trigger, but she already pulled the trigger right there. So thank you, babe. I love you, and I'll make sure that this will be worth every dollar that you spent on it. And right now I'm currently filming with my iPhone XR, and I have been using this camera right here. This is a GoPro Hero 5, a very outdated camera. As you can see, it was handy for all of my previous videos, but I'm starting to see how much it lacks in audio and also in the quality of the film. And it's also very hard to film a cinematic video with cars with this here. I do have the gimbal attachment to this, which helps a little bit, but I just needed a new camera, and my girl literally came through for this here. And this will be our new workhorse camera, the Sony ZV. Shout out to my girl once again. Super awesome gift, and I wanted to take you guys along in unboxing this camera right here. So I wanted to make sure that you guys are getting the best quality and the best effort that I can give with these videos. And if you do have a super cool car that you want to get reviewed and shown off, let me know and we can get that done. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram, which is the Car Addict 001. You can go ahead and follow me right now if you want. And also, if you like this video so far, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and hit that bell button as well, so that your boy Car Addict knows that you are listening and that you're here with me. But let us go ahead and start opening this package up right here. As you can see, very compact packaging, just like the camera itself. You have a tab here that you can just pull. You can just open her up right there, two flaps like so, and you have a bunch of instruction manuals right here. Check it out. All right, there's about 4. We'll check these things out later. Don't worry about that right now. Worried about the main thing here, the camera. So you'll have to open here in the middle, and then here is the packaging. So it looks like there's 3 accessories or miscellaneous things that come with it. And here, I'm guessing, is the camera. So let's take her out. Oh my God. Here it is, wrapped in a little plastic bag here, and bam, here she is, guys. The camera. This is the Sony ZV compact camera, and I really do not know a lot about this camera right now because my girlfriend literally surprised me with this yesterday. And one thing she did tell me that she took into consideration that I wanted a flip screen, and here it is, the flip screen, which will be super clutch on all of my videos. Shout outs to you, babe. And the size is not really that much more different than the GoPro. As you can see, if you turn it to the side here, it's literally just 2 GoPros like this. The weight is, of course, a little bit more heavy on this side because obviously it's bigger, but it's gonna have more quality, better audio, and a lot more settings that you can tweak around and play around with on this camera than this one right here. I'm also going to be upgrading my software, my editing software, so that I can have something on par with this camera right here. I will be doing a detailed video on what the features are on this camera in a later video, but we'll just be focusing on the unboxing right now. So here is the camera, guys. Super freaking awesome. I love that simplistic design here. A couple buttons up top. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the box here. So on the side, you got two flaps right here. Okay, so this one does come with a micro USB cord here, 2.0 for your charging, and I'm guessing you're uploading. And here, another flap on the side. You have the battery right here. We're probably gonna get a few more of these. And last but not least, you have a, what is this? Some fuzzy. Oh, okay, I know what this is. You have a microphone wind resistance muff right here, which you can just attach here. I guess this is the microphone. And one thing I heard about this camera is that it has great audio capturing, so great microphone. So you can just attach it right there to resist any windy situations when you're videotaping, which will come in clutch. My God, super awesome. So that is the camera, guys. And I also got myself a vlogger kit with it. So this one is a mini tripod. One thing about this though is that I was kind of really sad when I discovered that it is not a gimbal, and it's okay because it does come with what I need for now. It does come with a 64 gigabyte Sony disc right here, memory disc, and disc, old school memory card. And here we will have the actual tripod that comes with it. So got the tripod here. It's even more nicely packaged than the actual camera itself. So this tripod right here is pretty awesome because it's perfect for vlogging style videos, and also if you just want to set it down, you got that there. And also this comes with a Bluetooth connectivity with the actual Sony ZV-1, and you can control the camera through here. So that is going to come in handy for all of my videos that are coming up soon. And next thing on this box is a case, a little bag, a little bag, and a battery for the Bluetooth connectivity. And that is it for today's video, guys. Quick little unboxing video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. Again, if you found value in this video, go ahead and help me out and hit that thumbs up button. Share this video to anybody who is interested in seeing this, and also subscribe and hit that bell button. Follow my Instagram at thecaraddict001. And that is it for the video today, guys. Thanks for watching. The Car Addict out. Peace.